Difference between accept and accept exception as E. Both the following snippets of code do the same thing. They catch every exception and execute the code in the except column block. Snippet 1. Snippet 2. What is exactly the difference in both the constructs?
In the second, you can access the attributes of the exception object. But it doesn't catch base exception or the system exiting exception, system exit, keyboard interrupt and generator exit. Which a bare except does. See the built-in exceptions section of the docs and the errors and exceptions section of the tutorial for more info.
Accepts all exceptions, whereas only accepts exceptions that you're meant to catch. Here's an example of one that you're not meant to catch. The first one silenced the keyboard interrupt. Here's a quick list. If you want to catch any of those, it's best to do to point out that you know what you're doing. All exceptions stem from base exception, and those you're meant to catch day to day, those that'll be thrown for the programmer, inherit too from exception.
There are differences with some exceptions, for example keyboard interrupt. Reading PEP 8. A bare except clause will catch system exit and keyboard interrupt exceptions, making it harder to interrupt a program with Ctrl-C, and can disguise other problems. If you want to catch all exceptions that signal program errors, use accept exception. Bare except is equivalent to accept base exception.
Another way to look at this. Check out the details of the exception. There are lots of things to access using the SE syntax. This code was solely meant to show the details of this instance.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.